An even number of circles are nested, starting with a radius of 1 and increasing by 1 each time, all sharing a common point. The region between every other circle is shaded, starting with the region inside the circle of radius 2, but outside the circle of radius 1. An example of showing 8 circles is displayed below. What is the least number of circles needed to make the total shaded area at least 2023 pi? Okay, so with the first two circles, we see that the area of the shaded part is 2 square pi minus 1 square pi. And with the next two circles, the additional shaded square area is 4 square minus 3 square pi. And then it goes on like that. And eventually, with the last one, we will have n squared minus n minus 1 squared pi. So if we add these, we want to have something that's bigger than 2023 pi. Now, we can use difference of squares here. And instead of writing 2 squared minus 1, we are going to replace that with, the difference is 1 and the sum is 1 plus 2. And the same thing with 4 squared minus 3 squared. The difference times sum. The difference is 1, the sum is 3 plus 4, etc. So we can replace this with 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus ... At the end, we have n plus 1 plus n. So that's the sum of the first n positive integers. We want this to be bigger than 2023 pi. Oh, we shouldn't forget the pi here. Okay, so we want the sum of first n integers, which is n times n plus 1 over 2, to be bigger than 2023. And that's n squared plus n should be bigger than 46. And we see that for n equals 60, this becomes 3660. So that's not enough. So the smaller numbers clearly are not going to be big enough. And for n equals 64 in the choices, 64 squared plus 64, and 64 squared is 4096. So that sum is going to be bigger than 4046. So the answer is E.